So hi everyone. OnStream app is not supported for Android TV app and software. Try this step. You are using OnStream app financial software. Update and apply database upgrading script in your order. Backup your database and file. Second, common issue fix. First, setting. Second, network and SIM. Third, network operator and reset network and access point names. Delete and reset network. App is not work or fix. Try. Select app info and storage use. उसके बाद clear all data